I changed when I sleep before exams. Nothing else. Same study time. Same subjects. Same effort. Just different sleep timing. My score doubled. 78% to 96%. Here's the sleep trick that changed everything. Most students do this. Study until midnight before exam. Sleep for 5 hours. Wake up tired. Take exam exhausted. Score average. They think more study hours equals better grades. Wrong. Your brain needs sleep to convert study into memory. Without sleep, you studied for nothing. You remember almost nothing. Here's what I discovered. Sleep right after studying. Not hours later. Immediately after. Your brain processes new information during the first 90 minutes of sleep. This is called memory consolidation. If you study, then watch Netflix, then sleep, your brain consolidates Netflix, not your study material. But if you study, then sleep immediately, your brain consolidates everything you studied. This is the trick. My new routine. Study session ends at 9 p.m. No phone. No TV. No distractions. Straight to bed by 9:15 p.m. My brain spends the first 90 minutes of sleep processing physics formulas, chemistry reactions, math equations, everything I studied. By morning, it's locked in long-term memory. I wake up remembering everything clearly. Second part of the trick. 8 hours of sleep minimum. Not 6. Not 7. 8 full hours. Research shows students who sleep 8 hours before exams score 20% higher than students who sleep 6 hours. Your brain needs time. Time to consolidate memory. Time to reset attention. Time to prepare for high performance. Cutting sleep cuts your score. Simple as that. Third part. Wake up 90 minutes before exam. Not 30 minutes. 90 minutes minimum. Your brain needs time to fully wake up. If you wake up and immediately take an exam, your brain is still in sleep mode. Slow. Foggy. Not sharp. But 90 minutes after waking, your brain hits peak performance. Alert. Focused. Ready. This timing matters more than most students realize. My results using this sleep trick. Before, I studied late, slept 5 hours, scored 78% average. After, I slept immediately after studying, 8 hours total, woke 90 minutes before exam, scored 96%. Same student. Same ability. Different sleep strategy. 18 points higher. The science is clear. Sleep is when learning happens. Not during study. During sleep. Your study session is just the input. Sleep is the processing. Without processing, the input disappears. Students who pull all-nighters remember almost nothing the next day. Students who sleep well remember almost everything. It's not about how long you study. It's about what happens after you study. Try this for your next exam. Finish studying by 9 p.m. Sleep immediately. 8 hours minimum. Wake up 90 minutes before exam. Compare your score to previous exams. I bet it improves. This is the easiest grade boost you'll ever get. No extra study. Just better sleep. Comment below what time you usually sleep before exams. Let me know if you'll try this sleep trick. And subscribe to Learn Fast AI Academy, where we teach science-backed study methods that actually work. See you next video.